Here's some big news coming in. BJP IT cell chief accuses TMC government of shielding rape-accused Malviya. Tweets, and I quote, "Not taking a complaint of rape by a victim and then unleashing undue pressure on the hospital doctors examining the victim to not mention rape in their report is too grave an offence. Will Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee ensure that the victim is not denied justice just to save TMC cadres?" A BJP supporter alleges that his wife was gang-raped by two Trinamool Congress supporters in Howrah on Saturday night. A police complaint was filed, after which two people were arrested on Sunday night, including the TMC block president and TMC youth president. Prema Rajaram for more on that. Prema, here's a big accusation there by BJP's IT cell chief, accusing TMC government of shielding rape-accused Malviya. Says the government is not willing to take a complaint and over that pressurizing doctors to mention that this is not rape. This is itself a grave offence. Take us through the details of it. Why is the TMC hesitating to take a complaint?
So the BJP hits out at the Trinamool Congress government over the filing of the FIR, and there was a delay in the FIR being filed. There was apprehension or hesitation because the names that were taken by the victim's husband, who is a BJP supporter, are names of TMC block president, the TMC youth leader and others in the Trinamool Congress, saying that they had threatened the victim and the husband on earlier occasions. But what the BJP goes on to also mention that what is being done about it, and we must remember, Nabila, this is happening in the backdrop of the post-poll violence cases that were heard by the NHRC. The final report was submitted to the Calcutta High Court and the judgment on that is still pending. And the BJP now questioning the Trinamool Congress government on this. Another update here is that the block president and the youth president were called in for questioning, and first it was known that it was them who were arrested, but later on the story changed where it was them who were not arrested. They were only called for questioning and two others were arrested. So there are various facts in this case that the BJP is really raising questions about, that what is the Trinamool Congress doing about the victims who do need to file an FIR, and why is there so much of a delay? Back to you, Nabila.
Prema, thank you very much for joining us with those details.